Hello, different spot, not home. I wanted to just show you a little video of my walks. I'm on a journey, I guess. My husband hates that word, journey, but I'll use it. To a healthier me. A month ago, I saw a photo of myself, and I was at my heaviest. And oh my word, it was a shock. It was a wake-up call for me and my health. So every day since then, I've been walking and not dieting, just eating really well, eating healthy, changing the way I eat, and so far I'm doing not too bad. But today I thought, I'm walking backwards, so hope no one's coming behind me. Nope, all good. So today I wanted to show you where I walk. I live in the most beautiful part of the world, and I sometimes feel like a tourist in my own town. You have to excuse me because it's a little bit raining. I feel like a tourist in my own town when I take photos of where I walk. That's not a bad thing. So this is a rail trail near my house. It's only a 2-minute drive, and I walk it every day. Sometimes I walk 5Ks, sometimes I walk 3Ks, just depends on how my legs feel. But the next few videos are of some of our clips and our walks, and some of it's in the rain, some of it's in the sun, and some you'll see some birds, some you'll see some trails where there's some dens, I think, of foxes. So I just thought I would put together a little clip, and you can have a look where I walk. If you're ever down in South Gippsland, follow the rail trail. It's beautiful, particularly in Moorby North, just stunning. And I'm not going to put any music to it. It doesn't need it. Just listen to the sound of nature. It's honestly, it's at its best here. So anyway, ahead of this, you'll see a few clips, a few videos of my walk on Daily Walk. Take care. Bye. hope you really enjoyed my walk. If you really enjoyed it, let me know and I can do some more on other walks that we do. Thanks. Bye.